So let us factor this. Again, 4-term polynomial. The idea is to take 2 together in a group, take common factor. Remember, it doesn't have to be the first and second. It can be the second and third. You can choose all the negative together. Take common factor. See common factor here? Yes, there is common factor. There is also common factor here. So you can do that also, no problem. And the answer will be the same. But before you do that, didn't you see that 4, 12, 20, 60? Do you feel anything about it? Huh? They are all even numbers. And there is already a common factor between them, right? And I said, if there is common factor, should take it first to make the problem easier. Otherwise, it will look hard. So what is the common factor for these numbers, 4 and minus 12 and 20? And 4. There is already 4 common factor in all of them. So this will become 4. Any other common factors in variables, for example? No, there is no variable here at least. Okay, so only 4. That becomes xy minus 3x minus 5y, and then 15 plus 15. So now we can take a group, together. For example, these two as a group. What is the common factor here? X. And what's the common factor here? 5. So you can do that. Okay. Also, another option, you can take this as a common factor. Oh, there's no common factor here. You cannot do that. Okay. So this is the only option now. So the common factor here will be x. And what remained from the first is y, from the second is 3. Okay, so I took these two together. How about these two? What is the common factor? 5. Okay, 5 or minus 5? Minus 5 in this case I will take. Why minus 5? Because I want what remain to be y, which is positive like this one. See? From the beginning, when you take a common factor, keep in mind that what remains should be the same as what you already had before. This binomial should be the same as this binomial. So if you take 5, remain minus y, problem. But if you take minus 5, what remain will be y. Same like this, no problem. Do you understand? So this comes with practice when you solve, a number of questions. Anyway, I took 5, I took minus 5. But if you take minus 5 from 15, it becomes, what remains? Minus 3. Minus 3, because now when you multiply minus times minus will give you positive 15. Okay? So this will be the factoring in this case, and now you see now this binomial becomes very similar to this binomial, exactly the same. So it can come outside as a common factor. So the answer will be 4, and then this y minus 3 comes out, and what remains from here is x. What remains from here is minus 5. So this will be x minus 5. This is the final answer. Okay, this is the final answer here. Any questions about that?